Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into TotalAV Antivirus to see if it can still hold its ground as one of the best free antivirus options out there. With viruses always reinventing themselves, it's important to have antivirus that not only keeps up with the latest threats, but also protects your devices without causing any slowdown. So, how does TotalAV stack up against the competition? Well, I've tested the latest version extensively, and in this review, we'll explore its features, pricing, and how it measures up against other antivirus options. Before we dive in, if you're thinking about giving TotalAV a try, don't forget to check out the affiliate link in the description below. It's a great way to get a discount that you wouldn't find if you went directly to their site, and it won't cost you anything extra. Now, TotalAV may be relatively new on the scene, but it's quickly made a name for itself with over 30 million users. That's a massive number, and it's backed by some pretty impressive accolades. In 2024, TotalAV garnered impressive industry recognition, being an AV Test's top product, and won the Deceptor Fighter Award from Esteem, which celebrates exceptional performance in detecting and eliminating deceptive software, but also sounds like something that could be in Star Wars. But does it live up to the hype, or is it just marketing? I put TotalAV through its paces to find out, and while they offer a free version, the premium plans provide more comprehensive protection and are surprisingly affordable. Let's talk about what it's like to actually use TotalAV though. First off, installing it requires a bit of patience. You need about 1.5 gigabytes of free disk space, so if you're working with a slower internet connection, the download and installation process might take a while, but once it's up and running, the interface is very straightforward and easy to navigate. I started by testing TotalAV's ability to detect and remove malware. I uploaded a known malware sample, and TotalAV quickly identified and removed it, which is exactly what you want from your antivirus. One thing I particularly liked was how informative the malware alerts were. You get clear, actionable information, and managing these alerts through the App Central panel is a breeze. I did come across some user complaints about slow scan times and system performance issues, but my experience was mostly positive. Scanning 65 gigabytes of files took around 20 minutes, which is pretty decent. However, running the same scan a second time didn't speed it up, which was a bit of a letdown. Now, a standard feature of TotalAV is its built-in VPN. It's powerful enough to bypass most streaming restrictions, which is a huge plus if you're into secure browsing and streaming. However, be aware that while the first year is offered at a discount, the renewal price is significantly higher, and TotalAV doesn't include parental controls. But if you're mainly looking for antivirus protection with effective system cleanup tools, it covers those bases well. And while we're on the pricing, let's talk about the several plans they offer, starting with a free version that provides basic protection. If you're looking for more comprehensive coverage, you'll need a subscription. The base plan, Antivirus Pro, costs $30 for the first year and renews at $100 annually. This plan covers 4 devices, PC, Mac, iOS, and Android, and includes real-time protection against viruses, trojans, and malware. It also provides protection against potentially unwanted applications, which includes unwanted ads, spyware, risky file downloads, phishing attempts, and ransomware. Additionally, you can get access to utility tools like System Tune-Up, a disk cleaner, and a browser cleaning tool. For those who need to protect 6 devices and want access to TotalAV's VPN, the Internet Security Plan is a great option. It's priced at $40 for the first year and renews at $130 annually. This is the plan I went with because I wanted to test the VPN. Given that I travel a lot and use public Wi-Fi often, having a VPN is crucial. If you need to protect up to 8 devices though, the Total Security Plan might be a better fit. It costs $50 for the first year and $150 annually thereafter. This plan includes everything in the Internet Security Plan plus a basic password manager and total ad block, which helps eliminate annoying ads. Since I already use NordPass for password management, the added password manager wasn't a huge selling point to me, at least. TotalAV scans come in 3 varieties: quick scan, full scan, and cleanup scan. The quick scan takes about 10 minutes and focuses on the most critical areas of your system. The full scan is more thorough and can take longer depending on the amount of data on your device. The cleanup scan looks not just for malware, but also cookies, duplicate files, and junk that might be slowing down your computer. Moreover, real-time protection is a key feature, and TotalAV's is designed to be light on system resources. This means you can keep it running all the time without noticing a significant impact on your device's performance. Although you can disable it, I wouldn't recommend it for the added peace of mind. mind. And the Web Shield feature protects against data theft, ransomware, and malicious sites by blocking risky URLs. It includes a safe search feature through a browser extension, which helps you avoid unsafe sites. However, I ended up disabling this feature after a while because it flagged some sites I use regularly, which just became annoying. More on the VPN though. So the VPN included with the internet security plan is powered by Windscribe and comes with a kill switch. This feature is essential as it blocks your internet connection if the VPN disconnects, making sure that your data stays protected. Based on my testing, this is one of the better VPNs bundled with an antivirus package. It's fast and reliable with around 50 servers in over 30 locations around the world. I tested it in various locations and it performed impressively, providing a really secure browsing experience, and it bypassed geo restrictions effectively. Moreover, when comparing TotalAV to other popular antivirus options like Norton and McAfee, there are some notable differences. Norton's scan performed slightly better in my test, which was faster and more accurate. Norton also offers a broader range of features, including a firewall, which might be appealing if you're looking for a more comprehensive security package. However, TotalAV's VPN and system cleanup tools set it apart, especially if web security and device optimization are more of a priority for you. McAfee, on the other hand, tends to be more expensive for the first year and caused some slowdowns on my computer during scans, which wasn't an issue with TotalAV. McAfee's firewall and parental controls are decent, but TotalAV's VPN offers better performance. Both have basic password managers and similar mobile apps, but TotalAV's strong VPN makes it a standout choice for anyone who needs both effective antivirus protection and reliable VPN. So is TotalAV the best antivirus option available? Well, in my opinion, it's definitely one of the top choices in 2024. It does really well when it comes to malware detection, web protection, and system cleanup tools, all while maintaining a light impact on your device's performance. The addition of an unlimited VPN adds a lot of value and sets TotalAV apart from many of the competitors. If these features align with what you're looking for, then TotalAV is a solid investment for keeping yourself secure online. And that is all for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful or interesting, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. And remember, if you're thinking about trying TotalAV, use the affiliate link in the description to get a discount you won't find on their website. I'm always eager to hear your thoughts, so feel free to drop any questions or comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. At any rate, though, thank you so much for watching, folks, and until next time, take care.